Massachusetts green tree python regulations have changed. These snakes are now no longer a permit required animal. The reason being is because the herpetoculture has become better informed as to how to care for these animals. This is a hot and humid environment. As you can see, it's basically a box. In this case, it's a higher humidity box, so plastics are used. This is the water basin. And then it's heated through, in the ceiling here, a radiant heat panel. And the animal can regulate its body temperature. Once that need is met, this is not a difficult species to take care of. But you do need to meet those needs. Green tree pythons are also have a bad reputation as being an aggressive animal, and they're actually not like any different than other animals. Animals that are wild caught are not aggressive; they're defensive. And these animals are hand raised. This is a rack of hatchlings. There's 24 in here, and as you can see, these are not aggressive animals. They're very good-looking animals, but they're not aggressive. They don't necessarily like to be handled and poked at. They're certainly not aggressive or defensive. The reason being is that these animals are U.S. captive bred animals. They are hand-raised snakes. These animals come with a pedigree and range from between $400 and $600 a piece. But the point being is that these aren't aggressive animals. Not every green tree python is an aggressive animal. These are hand-raised animals. So as much as they might be annoyed with me, they are certainly not aggressive, or again, the correct term would be defensive. And one after another, there's lots of babies in here, and you will not find that they are aggressive animals or defensive animals. They have known me since the day they were hatched, and this is the type of animal that you can get when you're buying something that's been hand raised. You guys, what are you doing? Nope. Certainly not aggressive. Example after example. Okay. Yeah. See. Don't see very much aggression here. Hey, buddy. Doesn't necessarily like to be bothered while he's sleeping. The reaction would be a little bit different if it were nighttime, but it's not yet. If it were nighttime, they would be on the hunt. Certainly need to be aware of that. But aggressive or defensive? I don't think so. Here are some adults. Hey, buddy. This is Pixel. She's a real beaut. Hey, what are you doing? Come out and say hi. Hey. Yeah. She's not looking aggressive or defensive. Again, hand-raised, captive bred, U.S. captive bred green tree pythons. These animals are not farmed, and that's the difference that you get when you have this type of animal. You do pay more for this type of animal, but as you might be able to tell, a lot of work has gone into raising these animals. A little vocal there, disapproval. but certainly not even a defensive. Hey, what's that? Hey, what's that? Hey, hey. Yeah. A little upset with me. Didn't like to be woken up. But, yeah. Not aggressive. So, guess that's a myth.